Hello, Erwin here from New to New Zealand. Today's topic is how to use public transport in New Zealand. Please like this video and please ring that bell to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please watch this video from beginning to end. It's very short. There's a lot of information that will be useful to you. In New Zealand, both in the North and South Islands, you can, when it's available, you can use either the bus or the train or both. And the way that works, particularly in Auckland, where I am, is you would either go on your laptop or you can go on your Android or iPhone and you would Google AT, which is Auckland Transport. And there's an app in the App Store called AT Auckland Transport app. Download that app. And what you'll need to go on the buses now during the virus is you have to purchase a HOP, a hop card. Hop card can be charged up to use for whatever you want for your fares. It only costs $10 New Zealand to buy, and you can add money to it as you use it, as you need to. It's very, very simple. Even if you have a car or a van or a truck, when you're here in New Zealand first, it can be confusing to get around. You not know where you're going. I know when I came over from America, I didn't know anything. I didn't know where I was going. So it can be very, very handy, useful to use public transport. So what you can do is find out where you are, download those apps that I told you about, or go on your computer, go online. We'll post a link here somewhere at the bottom of the video. We invite you to put comments in. We're going to have many, many languages. If you don't see the language that you like, please ask and we'll add your language to our database. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stop by next week. We'll have a brand new topic. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe on the bell to our web channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.